The Time Machine. I felt I was going mad. I ran around hitting the bushes. Crying and shouting, I went to the big stone building. It was very dark inside. I found a hall with little people sleeping in it. I woke them up and shouted, "Where is my time machine?" Some of them laughed loudly, but most of them were scared. It was bad to upset them, so I quickly ran outside. I was very worried. For hours I looked for my time machine. At last I was so tired I fell asleep on the ground. When I woke up, there were birds near me on the grass. I was calmer now. But what if I couldn't find the time machine? I could stay there and build another time machine, but it would be exhausting. I decided to explore the area. I found an old house and went inside. It was very dark and I couldn't see well. Suddenly I stopped walking. There was someone in the house. I could see the eyes shining in the dark. I put out my hand and touched something soft. The eyes looked away, and something grey ran past me fast. It looked like an ape with red eyes and long arms. I followed the creature carefully.